Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can activate and access the Sandbox Vault in the Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Obsidian Notes, navigate to your Vault or workspace, select a note you would like to edit and click into the text field here to enter the command / and then Sandbox. And you will see this suggestion here, open Sandbox Vault. Click into it and you will see the Sandbox Vault opening in a separate tab actually here, so that you can maximize it here or make it smaller. And just a quick word of explanation, guys, that Sandbox Vault has been created so that you may, for example, test commands here or test these features without saving your edits. As you can see, guys, once you close the Sandbox Vault, your changes will be they will not be saved. So so that's how it works, like a sandbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.